So we are learning to add and subtract with tens. Have a listen to this problem here. Felicity bought 3 packets of biscuits. Each packet has got 10 biscuits. Joe bought 5 packets of biscuits. So we want to know how many packets of biscuits did they buy altogether. Okay, so we're looking here. 3 plus 5 is 8. So Felicity's 3 packets and Joe's 3 packets, or 5 packets, sorry, equals 8 packets altogether. Okay, so inside each packet, remember, there were 10 biscuits. So we've got 3 tens that Felicity bought. We've got 5 tens that Joe bought. That means we've got 8 tens altogether. So 8 tens equals 80. They bought 80 biscuits altogether. So we can see this with our ice cream sticks we've put together. We can see one group of 10, which is 2 groups of 10, so that's 20. 3 groups of 10 is 30. So this here is 30. Here we've got 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10, 5 groups of 10, which equals altogether 50. So 30 plus 50, whoops, I'm running out of room here, equals 80.